Find subject. My ears. Ears is used for hearing sound. Soft and loud sound. Here are the examples for the soft and loud sound. The first one is a clock. This is a soft sound. The drum is a loud sound. Soft sound, loud sound. Soft sound, loud sound. Loud sound, so now kids, are you ready? Day 3 worksheets number 3. Circle the pictures that shows up taking care of our ears. Okay, number 1. Okay, look at this picture first. He cleaned his ears using a cotton buds. These pictures shows taking care of his ears? If yes, circle the picture like this. Number 2. He listened a lot of megaphone. So is this pictures shows taking care of his ears? If yes, circle the picture. Number 3. He needs a doctor to check up his ears. This picture shows the taking care of his ears? If yes, circle the picture. And how about the number 4? Well, you need to observe properly. This picture shows taking care of his ears? If yes, circle the picture. Number 5. He always wiped his ears. These pictures shows the taking care of his ears? If yes, circle the picture.